ask any study material. Correct? So we'll start with what? Accounting. Accounting. Now, what actually accounting mean? Anyone can respond? Bolo. What is accounting? What actually accounting mean? You can respond. Correct. So accounting means what? A very simple. Accounting is whatever I am writing that you write down. Accounting is the language of business. Accounting is language of business. Correct? Understood? Sir, what is this? Yet we are not able to understand what you have written. One thing is clear that accounting is required for business. Correct? Understood? And it is a language of business. Why we require language? Language for language required for communicating for communicating the information for communicating the information. Correct? This point you understood? So accounting is nothing but a language of business. For example, right now I am teaching you which subject? Accounting subject. Correct? Understood? So we require a language for the communication. My mother tongue is Hindi. Your mother tongue may be what? Telugu or Bengali, etc. Correct? Are you able to understand? So suppose you don't you in Hindi, will you able to understand? No. Therefore, we have given a common language so that whatever information we are providing to you, that you can easily understand, and that common medium of communication is English for our classes, so that I also know English, you also know English. मजा आ रहा है? Are you able to understand? Yes. Correct? Correct? Yes, sir. So accounting is the language of business. Language is required for communicating the information. Correct? Now, someone has said accounting can be defined as the process of doing account. Accounting can be defined as the process of doing account. So, what is account? That is another question. Correct? Understood? Accounting is the process of recording transaction. Then I will ask, what is the meaning of transaction? Let me. This all you know. I understand because already you have done. But let me. You need to give me time and just try to understand what I am saying, because I'll be teaching you from the base. I'm not teaching you from any books, etc. Correct? So accounting is the language of business. Language is required for communicating the information. Sir, what is this? Just try to understand. Everyone. Suppose there is one person, Ram. Ram. Correct? Now, Ram started a business. Ram started a business. Correct? And suppose the name of the business is Ram and Company. Ram and Company. Correct? So Ram is a person, correct, who started the business. So Ram is known as the owner of the business. Correct? Understood? Correct. Now while carrying on business, he need to interact with many other person. Correct? For example, then Ram for the business need to purchase goods from whom? From suppliers. From suppliers. Correct? Ram require loan. Ram require loan for business. I'm using the word business. So Ram require loan for business. From whom? Bank. From bank. Correct? Understood? Ram, what? Ram sell the goods on behalf of business to what? Customer. The customer may be what? The other person. Correct? Understood? Similarly, there may be other persons. Correct? For example, government. Whenever we carry on business activity, so we earn profit. On profit, government charge some tax. So Ram need to pay tax to government for carrying on business activities. So they may need to interact with what government. Correct? Are you getting? Understood? It means, can I say, just try to understand. Ram need to communicate. Ram need to communicate with outsider. Correct? Means some information of business need to be provided to external parties, outsiders. Correct now? Outsider means any other person apart from Ram. Correct? They can be supplier, bank, customer, government, employee, etc., etc., etc. Correct? So Ram need to provide what? Information to external party. Means Ram need to communicate on behalf of business. Correct? So can I say, for this a language is required. For this a language is required. Are you getting what I am saying? So what will be that language that we need to understand? Correct? Now just try to understand, if there is no defined language, for this business, so Ram may provide some information in some other language which may not be understood by the external party. Therefore, common language was required, and that common language which was developed is known as accounting. Have you understood this point? Correct. That common language which is understandable by all the parties which revolve around that business is known as accounting. Correct? Agreeing? So we need to understand that language. Means I will be teaching you one language, that is accounting. Correct? I think in your bachpan you have also learned Hindi language or English language or any other language also. Correct. Now to understand the language, can I say grammar is required? Grammar means we need to become expert in the grammar of this language. Correct? Means I am here to explain you the grammar of this what? Accounting. Correct? Once you understand the grammar, then this accounting is very easy. Normally what happen? Normally what I have seen, कि student understand the language, student try to understand language without understanding the proper grammar. Correct? So we need to first become expert in that grammar, and I'm here to make you expert in that. Correct? Understood? Have you understood this point? Yes, sir. Now point number 1, write down. This was point number 1. Then write down point number 2. Point number 2, write down. Accounting is an art art of what? Recording. Please, whatever meaning you have done in your previous classes, please keep in your pocket. Correct? Whatever meaning you have done, please keep in your pocket. Correct? I know whatever you have done is correct, but right now you have given me a chance, me as one opportunity to teach you. You need to learn as whatever I am teaching to you. Correct? Yes, sir. So accounting is an art of recording of recording. What? Recording of transactions, transactions and events, and events of financial nature, of financial nature, to communicate, to communicate the business result, business result to whom? To the users, to the users of financial statement, financial statements. Correct? Understood? You might have done the similar meaning but in different form. This whatever meaning right now I have given, this is developed by me only. Just try to understand each and every point. Correct? Now if you see, what are the keywords यहाँ पर? क्या क्या keywords है? Just try to understand. Correct? The first keyword is what? A recording, then transactions and event, then financial nature, then communication, then business result, then users of financial statement. Till I explain you all this term, you will not understand what is the meaning of accounting. What is the meaning of accounting? Correct? So it means I need to explain you each term, then only you will understand what actually accounting means. Correct? Let us start with what? First, transaction. First transaction. मेरी बात को समझना. First transaction. Point number 3. What is the meaning of transaction? Correct? ट्रांजेक्शन का मतलब क्या होता है? नाउ ट्रांजेक्शंस मींस, ट्रांजेक्शन मींस any act, any act, any act performed is a transaction. Correct? Are you getting? So any business, any agreement, any performance of any act is a transaction. Right now I am teaching you, this is also one transaction. You are learning from me, that is also one transaction. Correct? I am recording the classes, that is also one transaction. Correct? Are you getting what I am saying? So transaction means performance of any act or any business or any agreement, or any agreement. Correct? So write down, transaction means, transaction means performance of any act, performance of any act or business or any agreement, any agreement. Correct? The transaction means performance of any act, any business or any agreement. Correct? Bolo. Means whatever act done by any person will be transaction, will be transaction. So what is the meaning of event? Event का मतलब क्या है? Write down. Event means, event means the consequences, the the consequences of a single transaction, a single transaction or group of transaction, group of transactions, single transaction or group of transaction at a particular point of time, at a particular point of time. Point of time. At a particular point of time will be known as what? Event. The event means what? Consequences of a single transaction or group of transaction at a particular point of time. Right now, I have given you one example. Right now, I have given you one example that I am teaching, that is also one transaction. You are learning, that is also one transaction, correct? So can I say these are group of transaction right now, and what is the consequences of this transaction? That of course you will score 90 plus marks in your exam. So when you will score 90 plus marks in your exam, that become event, at a particular point of time. Means event will be originated only at a particular point of time, correct? Are you agree? Means transaction will be undergone during a time period, and the consequences of the transaction will be known as event. Understood? Correct? Yes sir. Yes sir. Okay. Chalo. Now please don't do this type of discussion in this live chat, hi etc. Correct? I know all are present yahan par. Yes sir. Now are you able to understand? Please respond. I'll give you 1 minute. 1 minute मैं आपको देता हूं. Please respond. Are you understanding or not? Just write down yes sir, no sir. So that because this is the first class, you might be doing this type of classes for the first time, correct? In this mode. So I need to understand whether you are understanding each and every point or not. So please respond. Are you understanding? Just comment yes sir or no sir. Geeta, you said you have not understood. Please write down what you have not understood. 1 second, I will explain. Don't worry. Correct? Now, till now, I have not explained fully what I am asking you. Are you able to absorb this way of teaching? This way of teaching, abhi full explanation has not been done. Full explanation has not been done. Correct now? It will be completed. It will be completed soon. I'm just asking you, are you able to understand the learning in this mode? In this mode means virtual mode. Understood what I am asking? Yes. Geeta, now you are saying you have understood. अभी आते हैं गीता. इवेंट में तो मैंने कुछ बताया नहीं है. आई एम कमिंग. 1 second. Accounting means what? 1 second, I will come. Accounting is a language of business, correct? Then second point I have said, accounting is an art of recording of transaction and event of financial nature to communicate the business result to the user of financial statement. But I said to understand this meaning, we need to first understand the meaning of transaction. Transaction means what? Any performance of any act, any business or any agreement is a transaction. Means whatever we do, that is a transaction. Whatever we do, it is a transaction. Suppose I started dancing yahan par, that is also one transaction, correct? I'm scolding you, that is also one transaction. But after scolding, you cry. That is the consequences of that transaction. That is the consequences of transaction, correct? Are you able to understand? So the consequences of a single transaction or group of transaction, single transaction or group of transaction at a particular point of time, will be known as event. Understood? Correct? So what I said, I've given a very simple example. Right now I'm not giving the example from accounting point of view. I'm giving example from our life point of view. जो हम करते हैं उसका example दे रहा हूँ कि I am teaching you, that is one transaction. You are learning from me, that is one transaction. Correct? Now after teaching learning, you will do some self study also, that is also one transaction. But after your preparation, you will give exam, and after exam the result will come out. That result, whatever marks you scored, that is what event, understood? So marks, whatever you have scored, is the consequences of what? This classes. Understood now? Correct. But one thing is clear, that all transaction, all events are not recorded. Why? Because they have said transaction and event of only financial nature. Means accounting is an art of recording transaction event of financial nature means all transactions, all events are not recorded. Only those transactions, those events which are of financial nature are recorded. Means now we need to understand, sir, what is the meaning of financial transaction and event, financial transaction and event. So write down point number 5. Point number 5, financial transactions. Financial transaction means one thing is clear, that all transactions are not recorded. All transactions are not recorded from accounting point of view, and we are doing accounting for business. So which transaction need to be recorded? Only financial transaction will be recorded. Yeah, देखेंगे. Any transaction, please, one more information I am giving. I am teaching you from the base. You might be thinking, yes sir, क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं आज? Correct ना? What I am teaching, because you might be started from journal ledger, वो आपको सब पता है, but I am assuming that you don't know anything. You don't know anything means you don't know journal, you don't know ledger. I am teaching from the base. I am teaching from the base ki what actually accounting means. Then I will come to the books of account. Understood? Correct. Yes. So any transaction which satisfy following conditions, following conditions are known as financial transactions. Financial transactions. Correct. What are the two conditions? What are the two conditions? Point number A. Point number A, which changes the financial position, that is position of assets and liabilities, assets and liabilities of what? Of business. Of business. So which changes the financial position, that is the position of assets and liability. Position of assets and liabilities. Correct? Understood? Correct. Now what is the meaning of asset? What is the meaning of liability? You might be knowing, but of course I will also define from my point of view. Don't worry. I think everyone know the general meaning of assets and liability. General meaning of assets and liability. So which changes the financial position, that is the position of assets and liability of business. Of business. Correct? And point number B. Point number B. Correct? Which can be expressed in terms of money. In terms of money. In terms of money means it must have some value in terms of money. Value in terms of money. If these two conditions is satisfied, then it is known as financial transaction. Financial transaction. Let us take example. Means initially I started with this example ki Ram, and this is what? A business. Correct? Understood? Now let us understand some example whether it is satisfying both the condition or not. Now Ram has given some cash to his friend Ravan. correct? Ram has given some cash to his friend Ravan, correct? Now, is a transaction, no doubt. It is a transaction, no doubt. Bole yes or no, correct? But can I say this transaction does not affect the cash of business? This transaction does not affect the cash of business. Therefore, it is not a financial transaction, and therefore it will not be recorded in the what in for business accounting. It will not be a form part of accounting of business. Correct. So it does not require any recording. So we need to record only transaction of financial nature. Have you understood? But if I say in this way, Ram has given some cash to business. Business का नाम क्या था? राम एंड कंपनी. Ram and company. So Ram has given some cash to business. So can I say it will affect the cash of business? Cash is an asset. So asset of business will be increased. Therefore, it will be a transaction of financial nature. Therefore, it will be recorded in the books of account for business, for the business. Have you understood this simple example? A simple example I have given. Right now, I'm not giving you the more technical example. Understood? The first point is that we changes the financial position, that is the position of assets and liability of business. Correct? Understood? Yes, sir. Now, correct. And which can be expressed in terms of money. Which can be expressed in terms of money. So of course, if cash, so cash will be of rupees 1 lakh, of rupees 1 lakh. So this what? Cash of rupees 1 lakh. So because this 1 lakh can be, this cash can be expressed, this transaction can be expressed in terms of money. Therefore, second condition is also satisfied. Therefore, this is a transaction of financial nature. This is a transaction of financial nature. Correct? Understood? Yes, sir. Point number 5 you understood? Bolo. Any doubt? No doubt? Then add on. Point number 6. Point number 6. The consequences of financial transactions, it can be either one transaction or group of transaction. Correct? Therefore I'm writing financial transaction at a particular point of time is known as financial events. Correct? Means the consequences of financial transaction will be financial event, and that need to be also recorded. Means now one thing is clear, that all transactions are not to be recorded. Correct? Understood? Once again, example not understood. Once again am I coming to this. Just try to understand. I started with what? One example. Ram started a business. Ram and company. But we are doing accounting for Ram और राम एंड कंपनी. मुझे बताओ, राम के लिए अकाउंटिंग कर रहे हैं कि राम एंड कंपनी के लिए अकाउंटिंग कर रहे हैं? तो वी डू अकाउंटिंग फॉर बिजनेस. करेक्ट? वी डू अकाउंटिंग फॉर बिजनेस. What I started with what? Just try to understand. It is a language for transferring the information of business. Correct? Understood? Accounting we do for business, not for the owner. Owner के लिए accounting नहीं करते. Are you getting what I am saying? Business is what? Ram and company. So I said Ram and company. I said Ram has given some cash to his friend Ravan. Whether it will affect the assets and liabilities of business? Batao. Whether the cash of business will increase, whether the cash of business will decrease because of this? No. So this does not affect the financial position of business. Therefore, it will not be a financial transaction, and therefore it will not be recorded. Itna samjhe? Correct? Now, when I am saying Ram has given cash to Ram and company, so Ram and company is the name of business. Correct? So when Ram has given cash to Ram and company, so can is the cash of Ram and company means business has increases. means it changes the asset of that business, therefore it will affect the financial position of business, therefore first condition satisfied, therefore it will be a financial transaction. Have you understood, Natasha? Have you understood this point? Bolo. Mayank, have you understood? Bolo. Respond fast. Have you understood right now what I am saying? I'll give you some more examples, but not right now. There are many other examples, but initially I have just given one simple example. Have you understood this point? Mang said yes. Natasha, आप समझे कि नहीं समझे बताइए. Yes sir. Correct. Correct. Now, second condition is that it should be expressed in terms of money value. So when I am saying cash of rupees 1 lakh, so 1 lakh is can be expressed in terms of money. Therefore, second condition is also satisfied. Therefore, it is a financial transaction. Understood? Yes, sir. Correct. Yes, sir. सबने समझा. And the consequences of financial transaction at a particular point of time is known as financial event. उसका जो consequence होगा उसको बोलेंगे हम financial event. Now just try to understand. There is one term at a particular point of time. At a particular point of time. अभी आप ज्यादा सोचो मत. What don't think what you have done in your previous classes, because my way of teaching is totally different. Don't compare with what you have done in your previous classes. Correct? Understood? Just listen whatever I am saying. Give me 2-3 days. You will become habituated with me and you will start liking me also. Correct? Understood? Yes, sir. So at a particular point of time, for accounting, that particular point of time is always year end. Year end. Correct? Now, year end. Just write down year end. We'll discuss about this in detail after some time. Correct? So year end will be what at particular point of time. So the consequences of all the transaction at a particular point of time is known as what? Financial event. For example, लेते हैं. Example. Suppose you purchase goods of rupees 1 lakh. Of rupees 1 lakh. Correct? Understood? Can I say this is a transaction? Purchase goods for business. Now, whenever I say purchase goods, so even though business is silent, we'll assume it is a what? A business point of view. So purchase goods for business only of rupees 1 lakh. Of rupees 1 lakh. This is a transaction. Then sold goods at rupees 1,20,000. 1,20,000. This is also a transaction. Correct? So you purchase at rupees 1 lakh, you sold at 1,20,000. How much excess amount you have received on sale? 20,000. This 20,000, whatever extra you receive. So when you purchase, you need to pay. You have paid cash. When you have done sale, you receive cash. So how much extra you are 20,000? इसको बोलते profit. The consequences of this will be event. This will be event means, can I say, we need to record both transaction record करना पड़ेगा, and the transaction event should be of financial nature. Financial nature. What is the meaning of financial nature? Now you have understood. बोल yes or no? Yes sir. Correct. आज मुझे लगता है मैं I will only give the meaning of accounting only, because accounting is the subject which is very wide. अगर आपको accounting का मतलब नहीं समझ में आया, then you will not be able to understand what actually we are doing in accounting. Correct. Have you understood this point? ये point समझे? Yes sir. Second example. Let me take one more example. Correct. Understood? Now, suppose purchase goods of rupees 1 lakh. Correct. This is a transaction, and 80% of goods sold. 80% of goods sold. Correct. So 80,000 has been sold. Means you purchase 1 lakh. Out of this 80% sold. How much unsold? Unsold is what? Unsold is 20,000. Correct? So this is also transaction, and unsold, whatever left is an event. The consequences of these two transactions is what? Now, is it okay now? Is it okay now? Everyone? Yes, sir. Correct. Now, what I am saying, first example, because it was stuck, 1 second I will explain. Correct? Now, is it okay everything? Respond fast. Is it okay? Now, are you getting all the videos? So, 1 second I will start from example 2. Example number 1, everyone understood. Purchase goods of rupees 1 lakh, sold goods at rupees 1 lakh 20,000. We generated a surplus amount of rupees 20,000. That is what event. उसको हम event बोलेंगे. तो ये profit will be our event. Profit will be our event. Correct? Understood? Yes, sir. Correct. Now, second example, example number 2. Example number 2, just try to understand. Purchase goods. Purchase goods. Now, whenever I am saying purchase good, this is for business only. Even though I am not writing. Even though I am not writing. Correct. So, purchase goods of rupees 1 lakh. Of rupees 1 lakh. Correct. Transaction. 80% of such goods are sold. So, 1 lakh ka 80%, 80,000 sold. So, how much left? Can I say 20% remain unsold? 20% remain unsold, 20% remain unsold. उसे एक बोलेंगे हम event. So whatever left is known as event. So that is known as unsold stock. You normally say it closing stock. You remember closing stock? So closing stock is the event due to consequences of two transactions, purchase and sale, purchase and sale. Correct? Understood this point? Second example, now you understood. Respond. Correct? I think now video is working. Correct? Example number 2 you understood. Example number 3. What is example number 3? Cash introduced by Ram in business. Cash introduced by Ram in business 1 lakh. That example we have taken. Cash introduced by Ram in business 1 lakh. This is a transaction. Now out of that 1 lakh, they business purchase furniture of rupees 20,000. How much they receive cash? 1 lakh. Business has received cash of rupees 1 lakh. When they purchase furniture, how much cash has been paid? 20,000. How much left? That is known as balance cash. So balance cash will be what event? Balance cash will be event. Balance cash will be event. Understood? So event is the consequences of these two transactions. They receive 1 lakh, then out of 1 lakh 20,000 they purchase furniture. How much cash left? That is an event. So event need to be also recorded. Transaction need to be also recorded. This